What's up guys, it's Jesse, co-founder of Views Balcony Bar. Today we are in Sydney, Australia. Check out these beautiful views and we're gonna show you how to install our new 5-foot acacia balcony bar. So here we have all the pieces. We've got our bar top, we've got our brackets, and we've got our leveling bar over here. So first step, you're going to take the 2 pieces of the backsplash and you're going to insert the dowels into the holes so that they connect. There we go. And then you're going to take 2 of these black bars and you're going to insert, you see here there's a little edge. You're going to insert that edge into the little slot here and make sure that the holes line up. I'm going to do that with the second one. So that's connected. You're going to grab your screws with your spacers and you're going to add screws into all the holes here. Utilize your Allen key here and you're going to screw in all of these screws. There we have your sturdy, stable backsplash. Your next step, you're going to repeat the exact same thing with the bar top. So the bar top is the thicker piece. So you grab both sides. We've got the dowels right here. Insert them into the holes. Place that on the ground. Grab the 2 bars. Make sure to fit this edge and line it up with the holes into the slots. Back to it. That is our bar top connected. Grab your backsplash. This is where we now install our brackets. You got your 2 brackets here, and as you can see, it's got the 2 holes at the top of the bracket, and on the folding bracket arm, you've got the 3 holes. But for the backsplash, you're going to install the bracket with the 2 top holes here. But before you do that, you're gonna wanna remove what we call the L bracket, because it's the shape of an L. So you just unscrew the rubber nut, and then there's a little indentation at the end here, and it just comes off there. So put these aside for now. You might need a little elevation here, so just grab a book and then place it there so they're lined up. And then same thing, you're just screwing in the screws with the Allen key on both sides. There we go, side 1. Go to your other side here. Little elevation. Line up the screws, the bracket holes. And here we go. There we go. We've got the backsplash attached to the bracket. Now we are going to install the bar top. You're gonna need a little elevation now. So I suggest using the balcony bar box that your bar came in. And you're going to put the bar top face down. And now you're gonna grab backsplash and you're gonna line up the folding bracket arms with the holes on the bar top. Lines up perfectly. You're gonna grab your screws and spacers and just screw it in. Back one in. And I'm gonna do the other side. Keep it stable. There we go. We're getting close. Tighten these up nice and tight so it's not moving anywhere. Boom. All right. Next step. This is the key step. you got your leveling bar here. And you see there's the foam piece on one side of the leveling bar. You're going to connect the leveling bar in the middle here and make sure that the two foam pieces are aligned and they click in. And then here you've got a little hole, and you're going to put another screw into that hole. So now what you want to do is you want to make sure that the foam piece faces out to the back of the bar, and you're going to screw in the leveling screws at the base of the brackets. So I'm going to start here. Grab your Allen key and screw that. And I suggest screwing it the entire way. So go all the way in, right into the end. That's one side. Other side here. And do the exact same thing. Okay. Now, we're pretty much good to go. All we're gonna do is we're gonna reinstall the L bracket here. So you're gonna remove your rubber nut. At this point, I would suggest we're gonna have to flip the bar over. So I'm gonna bring it upright, reinsert that in the indents, and you're gonna screw that on. And then you'll adjust that when you put it onto the railing. There we go. And now she's pretty much ready to go. So here we are. We've got our balcony bar. So I'm gonna show you how to install it here. Pick, your favorite spot on your balcony where you want to install it, and somewhere ideally where you have 2 vertical posts. So I'm gonna put it right here. Open this up a bit more. Tighten this as much as possible, the L bracket, so it's really tight against the railing. And that's where you want to tighten your rubber nut, so that's super tight so it's not going anywhere. Same on this side here. Tighten that up. Okay, so now you got your folded bar top. So when you want to add some extra space to your balcony, you want your bar top folded down, it's easily foldable. And now we're gonna put it into its lock position. So you're gonna fold up the bar top, and then you've got this folding arm, and you can see under here it fits into the little socket, and make sure those 2 holes line up, and then you're going to insert your lock pin into the holes. So that's one side. Same thing on this side. Make sure that it fits in to the little indent there. Add in your lock pin. And then based on how level your bar is, this bar looks pretty level right now, but if you needed to make any adjustments, just grab your Allen key and go back down here to the leveling screws, and you can bring the leveling bar in or out based on how level the bar top is. But ours looks pretty good here, so you feel it pretty stable, good to go, and ready to add your beverage of choice. And sit back and look at these views. Doesn't get better than this.